I'm running through your nigga house like the Tomb Raider. You gotta pass around, nigga, he a hot potato. I told him eat it or get out, that's your ultimatum. But stop licking my pussy hard, that shit aggravating. He ain't mine, I just let him eat me out from time to time. Call it pussy booty tang, cause I got the running kind. He can't compare me to none of these bitches. I got that Beyonce, that dream girl that listen. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Go a couple of rounds, leave that dick up in the casket. I ain't wanna take the nigga from you, it just happened. You know I ain't come, boy, if you had to ask me. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Lick on my hand, then I put it in his pants. Get to playing with that cock and make that motherfucker bam. And I walk and I talk like a pimp, cause I am. Hollywood Francais, tell my pussy, hey, fancy top, give me head and up a ray, Slow me Daniel's head from the head of state, ayy. Twilly leap, make it clap on his face, ayy. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Ain't gon' get no pussy, but he hoping that he do. Walking all over the niggas, so he buy me all my shoes. Quit calling him a trick if he only buy your food, ayy. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Ice on my neck, let it drip down my chest. Looking at this motherfucking money make me wet. Rich bitch, pussy only come for a check. My contact lists look like the yellow pages. I do not say these niggas' names, I remember faces. And I ain't fucked you in a minute, why you still claiming? Bet if he ever hit this pussy, he gon' still stop me. And if you got a new bitch, why you still calling? And I look better than that hoe, that's why she made you block me. I like to show out for them haters talking bad about me. Trying hard to find a flaw, but you still watching. Ayy, freak nasty motherfucker. Kiss with the tongue, I don't wanna fuck the nigga if he ain't hung. He a lot of fun if he eat it night one. If he got a lot of funds, I'ma hit it like, money make me come, tryna give me some. Looking at these numbers on my checks like, Versace hottie, Creole mommy, she gon' fucking run, but the stallion giddy up. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Go a couple of rounds, leave that dick up in the casket. I ain't wanna take the nigga from you, it just happened. You know I ain't come, boy, if you had to ask me. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Lick on my hand, then I put it in his pants. Get the playing with that cock and make that motherfucker bam. And I walk and I talk like a pimp, cause I am, ayy. Pussy wet, diamonds on my neck. I'm a hot girl, so I make these niggas sweat. If you fucking with me, then you fucking with the best. If he say he a dog, I'ma treat him like a pet. Jimmy John neck, told him bring it to me quick. Who can love you like me, but nobody keeps sweat. Rich bitch pussy, I can take you out of debt. Rich bitch pussy only come for a check. Ay, freak, freak, freak nasty. Go a couple of rounds, leave that dick up in the casket. Ay, 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 freak, 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 freak nasty. Oh my gosh, Grubhub, thank you for having me and the hotties, the hot girls. We're here to entertain y'all.
What Juicy say? Like,
Shut the fuck. Real hot girl.
He like it when I work that, twerk that, serve that, and ride it like a rodeo. He like it when I lick that, sit down, look that, when I ride him like a rodeo. I got my tongue out like, poke it out like, he looking like a snack, I'm tryna lick him like, I got my tongue out like, poke it out like, he looking like a snack, I'm tryna lick him like.
Shake, shake that ass, make it nasty. Since you show it in your pictures, I'm gon' take that cash. They know Megan putting on for all the ratchet bitches. And if you pop your pussy for it, call that ratchet business. Hey, look, bitch touch them toes. Hey, bitch get that dough. If you in love with your body, bitch, take off your clothes. I'ma ride 'em like a pro, but I ain't new to the shit. And I ain't never been a clown, but I'm a fool on the dick.
Like it when I work that, twerk that, serve that, and ride it like a rodeo. He like it when I lick that, sit down, look that, when I ride him like a rodeo. I got my tongue out like, poke it out like, he looking like a snack, I'm tryna lick him like, I got my tongue out like, poke it out like, he looking like a snack, I'm tryna lick him like.
I told him, brrr, stick it. Why stick it? Why you asking if I like it when you know that you don't hear me? All them big mouth boys never last in it. I scream the loudest when I'm fucking on the quiet, nigga. Bouncy biggity shit, now let me know, Nicole, but are you kidding me? Look up bad bitch, I'm the epitome. Been real thick, I don't need no amphetamine. Dead ass be like, are you shitting me? I'm undead, ain't no bitch killing me. Hold that stick like I'm in a Tiffany. 4D Sims, I have no sympathy.
When I work that, twerk that, serve that, and ride it like a rodeo. He like it when I lick that, sit down, look that, when I ride him like a rodeo. I got my tongue out like, poke it out like, he looking like a snack, I'm tryna lick him like, I got my tongue out like, poke it out like, he looking like a snack, I'm tryna lick him like. Real hot girl.
This soundbite is in celebration of Women's History Month and in partnership with World Central Kitchen to celebrate female culinary business owners making their mark on history.